celebration of producing BMWs in the country for over 50 years, with the future looking brighter as BMW has introduced an additional shift of production to churn out the X3 model, largely for export markets.
The plant has grown and prospered over the years and has delivered more than 1.7 million cars since start of operations in the early 70s. Last year, we opened a new chapter in the history of this plant. With the launch of the new generation of the BMW X3, we added a plug-in hybrid to Rosslyn's portfolio, a new drivetrain, and a big step for this plant, as it marks the beginning of a new era, the era of electric mobility.
Giving the keynote address at the gathering, President Cyril Ramaphosa lauded BMW for its recent additional investment of over 4 billion rand in South Africa. He's also praised the company for the role it's played in upscaling skills in the country, particularly in the area of new digital and software engineering skills. BMW indicated that it had invested heavily in the area of software engineering in the country, yielding significant dividends.
We're not only building cars, we're not only selling cars, we're not only financing cars, but we also have expanded on the IT side. And our IT hub in Mendon, some of you might not know, now employ 2,500 employees. And they are delivering software to 130 countries. They are the driving force of BMW's software engineering, contributing with all their salaries and all their spendings about 4 billion to the South African economy.
Speaking to the growth potential of the local automotive sector, the president indicated that the government was finalizing incentives for the sector to invest in cleaner fuel vehicles like electric cars.
The global shift to clean vehicle presents opportunity for the local component manufacturing sector, whose focus has been on ICE components. With our significant reserves of the critical minerals that we have in our country, we must become a hub for processing and beneficiation of the minerals that are extracted from South African soil, so that they are beneficiated and where we are able to export finished products.
President Ramaphosa also spoke to the need for exporters of all kinds, not just automotive manufacturers, to eye new frontiers for trade in light of tariff threats.
The recent announcement on tariffs by the United States, of course, has a huge impact on all of us. It is an important market for our vehicle exports, and it further underscores the need for us to diversify our export base and to accelerate domestic value creation as well. So as we face this threat of the higher tariffs, we need to open our eyes and our ears and see where else can our vehicles go.
The president cited the rest of the African continent as a potential growth market for local manufacturers to penetrate, to grow the sector, create jobs and contribute positively to GDP. Nampumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.